Standard 6. We are learning chapter number 7 in mathematics. That is the fractions. In last session we learned about the equivalent fractions and simplest form or the lowest form of a fraction. Today we are going to start exercise 7.3, in which the question number 1 and question number 2 are picture related. Means there are some pictures given. You have to find out the fraction and check whether they are equivalent fractions or not. So I left it for you as homework. So now we are starting question number 3. So let's see question number 3. Replace box in each of the following by the correct number. Actually we already learned about it, so it will be easier. So let's see first one. 2 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon box. Now we know that in this situation we do the cross multiplication. So now 2 multiplied by box, 7 multiplied by 8. So now here we have to bring one of the factor as 2. So 2 multiplied by box, 7 multiplied by 4 to the 8. Now we will keep 2 alone and multiply those 2. Therefore 2 multiplied by box is equal to 28 multiplied by 2. So now if you compare 2 multiplied by box is equal to 28 multiplied by 2. So by comparing, we get, what do we get? Box is equal to 28. So in the place of the box we can put 28. Second one, this is the A, this is the B. 5 upon 8 is equal to 10 upon box. Here also we will do the same thing. Therefore 5 cross multiplication is equal to 8 multiplied by 10. So now we will divide 10 as 2 multiplied by 5. So 5 cross box, 8 multiplied by 2 5s are 10. So here we will keep the 5 alone because there is 5 here. So 5 multiplied by box, so 8 2s are 16. 16 multiplied by 5. So box, value of box is equal to 6. Therefore by comparing we get the box is equal to 16. C. 3 upon 5 is equal to box upon 20. So let's do same thing. Therefore 3 multiplied by 20, 5 multiplied by box. So here 20 can be splitted as 4 5s are to bring the 5. So 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by box. So now 5 we will keep alone. So 12 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by cross. So by comparing, we get box is equal to 12. D. 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon box. So 45 multiplied by box, 60 multiplied by 15. Now we know that 15 threes are 45. So 60 will be splitted as 20 threes are 60. So we can get 15 threes are 45. So 45 multiplied by box is equal to 20 multiplied by 45. So by comparison, or by comparing, we get box is equal to 20. Last one, 18 upon 24 is equal to box upon 4. So now cross multiply, 18 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24 multiplied by box. Now to bring it 24, 4 6 are 24. So 18 you can write down as 3 6 are 18, so that we get 24 here is equal to 24 multiplied by box. So now 6 4s are 24. So therefore 3 multiplied by 24 is equal to. So now we have to compare. By comparing, what do we get? The value of box? 3. Therefore, by comparing, we get box is equal to 3. So, if you know the method that by cross multiplication we get an equal answer, then we have to factorize like that and find the value of the box. So now question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having. So now in all the given, we have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 according to the given condition. First, denominator 20. So let me do like that. So let 3 upon 5 is equal to, now denominator we need 20. So in place of numerator we can put box as we did in the before. So now by cross multiplication, 3 multiplied by 20, 5 multiplied by box. So now 20 can be split as 4 5s are to bring 5. So 3 multiplied by 4 5s are 20. So 5 we will keep. So 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by box. So now same thing by comparing. We get box is equal to 12. Therefore, we get 3 upon 5 is equal to 12 upon 20. Actually, if it is a like MCQ or blank, you can easily find out answer also. For example, here 5 4s are 20, it means 3 4s are 12. But when there is marks, more than 1 mark, we have to solve the method. Let's see what is B. Numerator 9. So now we have to find a number equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having numerator 9. So here also we do let 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon box, because numerator we need as 9. If it is MCQ, you can directly write down 3 3s are, so 5 3s are 15. But if it is 2 marks, we have to solve the method. So now 3 multiplied by box equals 5 multiplied by 9. So 9 can be splitted as 3 3s are 9 to bring 3. Therefore 3 multiplied by box, 5 multiplied by 3 3s are 9. So 3 multiplied by box, 5 3s are 15. So now comparison. So by comparing, we get box is equal to 15. Therefore 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon 15. So that way we get the equivalent fraction. So now C and D you can do for homework. So we can do the next question, question number 5. It says find the equivalent fraction. Also same but little bigger number there. Find equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48. Which, so in the first, given that numerator 9, so now let 36 upon 48 is equal to, numerator is 9. So we can put box. So therefore, 36 multiplied by box is equal to 48 multiplied by 9. So now we know that 9 4s are 36. So 12 4s are 48. 48 can be splitted as 12 multiplied by 4. So now 9 4s are 36. So 36 multiplied by box, 12 multiplied by 36. So by comparing, what do we get? Box is equal to 12. Therefore, 36 upon 48 is equal to, we can replace 12 in the box, so 9 upon 12. Second one, B. B is a denominator 4. So now denominator we have to take as 4. So let 36 upon 48, denominator 4, then box will be there on the numerator. So now same thing, we have to do the cross. So 36 multiplied by 4, 48 multiplied by box. Now 4, if you multiply by 12, 12 4s are 48. So 36 is 3 multiplied by 12. So 12 4s are 48. So 3 multiplied by 48. 48 multiplied by box. So now the value of box, so by comparing, we get box is equal to 3. Therefore 36 upon 48 is equal to, we get 3 upon 4. So we have to make one factor same on the both side so that we can get the desired answer. So whatever condition is given, according to that, at the missing place we can take a box, and then as we learned in the previous sessions that when two fractions are equivalent fractions, then when we multiply, cross multiplication we do, then the answers are same, and therefore by that we simplify and then lastly compare to get the value of the box. So here we are going to finish the session. It will be followed by PDF file, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.